Yep, so we are officially on the road and heading for another trip. This is probably one of the most intense one. I couldn't find my ID this morning, so almost didn't want to be able to make it. That is pretty fun.
别弄。
从上海到苏州真的好方便，只要多少钱？半个小时就到了。So we are currently at here, I'm guessing we're here, and we are heading somewhere toward her house. Yeah, man, it was like 10 years ago when I first hit it to like this place. 这出租车和我们上海的大众好像，颜色都一样。裴娜跟我说这两天都是大太阳，所以我特地穿了双白色的鞋子。结果现在开始下雨了。穿了个白色。Dead. Believe it or not, this place is literally called Somerset. The same name as the place I went when I was in Britain for the school in Hague. Somerset. Yep, she should be coming downstairs and pick us up in any second. I thought you guys gonna hug. Arrived at the Korean barbecue restaurant. Nothing beats meat grilling on a stove and ringing this most cold eye. 来，欢迎来到苏州。好的。I guess this is just gonna be our room for the night. Absolutely no fucking idea what it is.